Welcome back to
another video.
There you go. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's we are making Nannari Sharbet and shaved ice. This is a Nannari Sharbet. You guys can see it's just a syrup. It's made from Nannari. I'm gonna put on the side what is a Nannari is. I don't know exactly in English. It says syrup de Sarsaparilla, which is Sharbat. We call Sharbat more famous in summertime. I went to the grocery store. I told them this is what I drink in the summertime when we were back home. So they said like, oh, I wanted to try. So I want to make first Nannari Sharbet, and after that we buy snow cone maker from Target. So we wanted to make shaved ice, and they are so excited. We have a 10 pounds of ice. This is, they said, is famous in Pakistan.
Yeah, Pakistan.
Yeah, so this is the same like a Sarbat too, but I want to put in snow cone. We have a shaved ice, the package I ordered from online. So let's see what is inside. So it has a straws, it has the bottle pourers, and they have a cone, and so they have grape syrup, they have a cherry syrup.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make shaved ice, and before I make shaved ice, I'm going to make Sharbat. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they are excited to taste first the summer drink before I make the shaved ice.
And I'm here in the back recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna make, that's what I have 5 cups. So I'm gonna make everyone, and Kyle has a small cup. So let me move that side. எங்க குழந்தைகளுக்குலாம் சர்பத் பண்ணி கொடுக்க போறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்து நம்ம இவங்க வந்து டேஸ்ட் பண்ணதே இல்லை சர்பத்து. நம்ம இந்தியன் கடைக்கு போயிருந்தேன், அங்கே நன்னாரி சிரப் கிடச்சிது. ஸோ அதனால வந்து நன்னாரி சிரப் வாங்கிட்டு வந்து இங்கே வந்து சர்பத்து போடணும்னு ஆசை. அதேமாரி இந்த ஷேவ்ட் ஐஸ், நம்ம ஊரில் வந்து ஐஸ் கோலா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தெரியுமா, திருவிழாலெல்லாம் இந்த ஷேவ்ட் ஐஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ அதான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ அது பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி டுடே வி கோயிங் டு மேக் சர்பத். Grape flavor. I'm just gonna go a little bit.
So you have enough for the.
It looks like purple food coloring.
It looks like.
Okay, ready guys. Sarbat is ready.
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah, it's just like simple. It's for summer drink.
It looks like tea.
Okay. It's like tea. Okay, Kyle, taste and let me know how is it. Oh, Prince getting the mine.
Yum, it's good.
Okay, babe, you want to try too? My wife is gonna try and she's gonna let us know.
So
And we're
sweet.
gonna let you know how it tastes.
Woo! Oh my God.
Where go to
It tastes like juice.
Yeah, it tastes like juice.
I just need a little bit lime juice.
It tastes like tea.
My wife is gonna try.
Yeah.
It looks like tea, but it tastes like apple juice.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Baby, it's really
Yeah, it
nice.
tastes
It's
like
like
apple
iced tea, right, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like iced tea. Yup.
It is really like iced tea.
Wow, this
I
is
said
good, guys.
I said it tastes like tea with apple juice.
Yeah, it tastes like apple juice.
First time வந்து நன்னாரி சர்பத் குடிக்கிறீங்க, எப்படி இருக்கு? The first time you guys drinking Nannari Sharbet. I used to drink when I was young. So how do you guys like it?
It was good.
So now while they drink Sharbat, I'm going to make snow cone for them. We have a 10 pounds of ice. So let's do that. We assembled this one. I washed it before use, of course. Okay, I have ice and I have snow cone maker. Let me put the bottle pourer. Everything, keep it ready before I open it. Can I have the bottle pourer, honey? My kids want it.
Right here.
So,
Julia.
so we made it happen.
You got play with me?
You guys excited to taste this one?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I have all the syrup.
Yeah.
Now we have 6 flavors including condensed milk. I have a cone ready, straw ready.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yay! Let's do this. So, so I'm gonna put the ice inside.
This is the first time using this machine.
Yeah, first time using this. Oh, okay.
Oh, well,
First time using this machine. Oh, here. You guys can see here?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is exactly 3 scoops. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up.
Okay.
Look
Wow.
Look at that. Do you want to see?
Woo-hoo.
Woohoo! Sounds like a black rain style.
Hey, you guys want the green too?
Yeah.
Let's do the pack cola. Hold this one, Kyle. This is for you. First one is for you. Wait.
No, don't lick it.
Okay, I have a pack cola, which is from Pakistan. Whoa!
That looks really cool.
Kyle, you ready, honey?
Yeah.
Here, I give you a straw. Here's a small scoop. So scoop it up, everything, guys.
Oh, some of it dropped.
Here,
What is it gonna taste like?
it's a spoon straw.
You
Okay.
can just use a normal spoon.
Don't get brain freeze.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now I want one.
How is it like, Kyle?
Good.
Oh, no. Wait.
Oh.
Okay, now is Prince's turn. No, Shelley's turn.
That's a lot.
Alright, this is Shelley's turn. Which one you want? Let me put everything.
Yeah, I put everything like Kyle.
Woo.
Ooh, some of it got on the.
Oh, yeah. That's why I put the sheet pen here, so we don't mess it up.
No, you're putting
Some green, some Nannari Sharbet too. So first time Nannari Sharbet cola. I'm a shaved ice. Woohoo! Look. Wow.
Whoa, that's much.
But they changed colors.
Mix it up.
I did it the wrong way. Is it good?
Don't get the brand freeze.
Is it good? It's really cold
Appa,
and it's really
my
good.
hands are getting colder.
It tastes like the snow cone version of that.
Let me get some sip from the Nannari Sharbet.
Look, it's not dropping, Prince.
What are you doing, Kaya?
Just mixing it up so I can change colors. Look, it's already.
Okay, now it's
changed
Shelley's
colors.
turn. Prince's turn. Prince, you ready?
Oh,
Yeah.
If you want one too, honey?
Yeah, I want to try.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Oh, it's mixing the colors to
That's a
blue.
lot.
It's mixing.
Whoa, look at this guy having
We're
nice.
gonna make a mountain.
Oh.
A mountain drip with blue
That is super cool.
and purple.
Wow, friends, look at you.
Shelley.
Now we don't
It's
have
called
to
the mountain.
You know what? I want to test Nannari Sharbet one.
Show us what you look like.
Cheers. Hello, boss.
So mine is only. Ooh.
Oh,
That is so much, baby.
Oh, sorry.
Whoa.
it looks like mango flavored.
Yeah.
Where's green?
Look at this
yucky
guy.
Mango.
I'm tasting only Indian and Pakistan flavor. I'll go with the Hawaiian next one.
Let's see, I can tell us the truth.
Look at that pig here.
Sweet.
Sweet. Oh my god, you know I don't like sweet.
Whew. I don't like sweet too.
What?
I want more syrup.
No, that's gonna be too much.
There's a lot of white.
Oh my God, guys. It's good, but it's not sweet. When I made Sharbat, I put some water to dilute the sugar.
So much.
But this one, you can feel the sugar. Koji snow cone maker, best price for family. Nothing goes wrong. One time, even you do one time, maybe one time for party. The syrup, it costs like another $20. So if you have like an ice, you know, you have $50, you can make a best shaved ice for your kids. Guys, so far we are having fun. I have a brain freeze.
I don't have a brain freeze.
Yet. When you're eating, you're gonna have a brain freeze. This is good for kids. And of course, it's not much for me or my wife. Why? Too much sweet, guys. Eating one time with the family, you know, summertime, that's fine.
When I finish mine, I want to have that.
Damn.
Okay, I'm putting condensed milk for my wife. Babe, you say you don't like sugar. Let me see how you like this one. But it has a lot of ice though. It's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
You guys wanna taste this one?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna taste this one
Look,
first.
I have soup.
Kyle.
Yeah.
You're gonna taste this one, mommy's.
Yes.
With the milk one.
It's gonna taste like banana.
Banana.
It tastes like.
What does it taste like?
She doesn't like it.
Eat it, Kaya. How do you like it, Kaya?
Bad.
Why?
Because it tastes so bad.
You don't like
No.
Kaya says it tastes like bad. Babe, come on. I want to give it to my wife. Come here. Come here.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So I was recording back and I was like, let me try this since I don't like sweet. And Appa just say that this.
So what is your flavor?
I'm testing condensed milk right now. It looks really cold. Look at this. Oh,
It looks like ice cream to
it
me.
looks like ice cream. I'm gonna test a little bit right here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I like it.
Are you sure?
Yes, baby.
But I don't like it.
Do you like
Kaya says she doesn't like it.
it? Oh, do you like it? We all like it except for.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
We all like it except for.
What? You get brain freeze too?
Getting the poop. So I can drink the soup. Listen.
That was so cold.
You got to go chill down.
I
This
said
was
go.
actually cold.
Oh my gosh.
Kaya, what are you doing?
Prince.
I
This
just
was
want to drink
colder
the.
than.
So far, I really don't like cold stuff. This was like too much cold. And I mean, I like the condensed milk. It's really good. I love it. It's just like the cold. I got brain freeze. I couldn't handle it. So
I like the Sharbat because it tastes like iced tea and apple juice in a way.
Uh-huh.
Me too.
Okay.
what about you?
It tastes like iced tea and apple juice.
So that's why you like
The
it.
Nannari Sharbet.
Yeah.
So when I used to be young, summertime, I used to drink a lot. We buy and you know, that's one of our favorite drink. And tell me about the shaved ice now.
The shaved ice, it's our first time trying shaved ice, so like a 9 out of 10.
What?
It's good?
It's amazing. I like all 3 of these and this one, but I don't know about this one.
I mean, it will be so sweet for sure. How about Kyle?
It's so good, but I want more syrup. There's white here.
Oh, mix it up.
Huh?
Mix it up. I'm gonna make all the flavor together. So now I wanted to add the flavors.
This is gonna be good.
Oh. I have some.
Raspberry,
Cherry
cherry,
Cherry.
and grape.
grape, Nannari, and cola, cola.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, look at it.
And
What we have right here is an edible volcano.
Yeah, it's an edible volcano with flour in the bottom.
alright guys, ready to go. You guys ready?
Yeah. Dig in.
I'm just going to pretend.
Dig in.
This is
Oh god. sweet though.
Yeah.
I'm taking little bites so I won't get a brain freeze.
And take a little.
Somebody get brain freeze.
I'm taking a little scoop of mine. I don't like it.
I took a big enough bite of it.
We tried today snow ice, and my kids first time tried Nannari Sharbet. They say they like it. They said it's like apple juice and iced tea, and everybody has a different. I liked it. My wife liked it. Nannari Sharbet, I liked it. Snow ice, we made it happen. Summer almost end. Time to go to school.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to go to school. We're gonna go to the shopping. Stay tuned for next video.
Let's go right now.
Let's go right now. See you guys next video.
We